So today we're going to work on solving polynomials. We're going to do it by grouping. So it's similar to when we solve quadratics. We solve quadratics sort of by using the box method at times, but by basically factoring it first. And solving by grouping is very similar to the box method in that we're going to group the first two terms together, the x cubed plus 4x squared, and group the second two terms together, negative 2x minus 8. And then what we're going to do is look for a common factor, common monomial to pull out of each term, or each group. So out of x cubed plus 4x squared, we can factor out an x squared, leaving us with x plus 4. And out of negative 2x minus 8, we can pull out a negative 2, leaving us with x plus 4. Again, this method is only going to work if the two parentheses are equivalent to each other, which they are. They're both x plus 4. So then I have a common factor of x plus 4 that I'm going to factor out. So I have x plus 4. And then the other factor is what's left over, which is x squared minus 2. Now, since this is an equation, it's equal to 0, I need to set each factor equal to 0 and solve. So I have x plus 4 equals 0, which solves to x equals negative 4. The other one a little bit more challenging. I have x squared minus 2 equals 0. So I'm going to add 2, get x squared equals 2. To solve that, I need to take the square root, not forgetting my plus or minus. So I end up with x equaling plus or minus the square root of 2. So my final answer is the 3 different values. Since it was a cubic, I should have 3 answers. So I get x equals negative 4, square root of 2, and the opposite of the square root of 2. And those are my 3 answers.